Hello everyone and welcome to GENT System Test 3. You'll notice that we're starting with a sound fault this episode because this sound is dodgy and throws up strobe circuit fail faults even though it's fine. Yeah, but it's a Voice S3 high powered fad which I bought for like 15 quid, so it's wasn't that expensive. So I really wasn't expecting it to work perfectly, but it does work perfectly with the exception that it throws up this weird fault for no apparent reason, and then as it does that, it randomly flashes for some reason. But it only does that about 2 minutes after allocation, and then once allocation is complete, it'll stop doing anything weird, but it'll just keep this fault around until you reset, until you power it down and reallocate and stuff, and then it'll just do it again. But yeah, apart from that, it works perfectly. It's got voice, and it's been silenced with some bubble wrap, and that's not what's causing the fault, by the way. I put the bubble wrap in there way after I discovered the weird fault that it seems to have. Same detectors, same 3, 4, 7, 10, but I actually put the dodgy one up. Because why not? Just wanted to see if it works. Haven't tested it yet, so we'll see. But yeah, we've still got the same 3471 Gent optical heats. I did have the S quad up for a short time, but it's really loud. So when I got this, which I'm able to just shove something in to make it less loud, that was good. So we'll actually start off with the end detector, because yeah, it's just different. So you'll have noticed we have the ProTech 3000 SSR, which is a conventional sounder which replaced this Roshni that Adam gave me. I also have another one of these which is VAD, which I would have put up if these were all white, but I'm trying to stay slightly compliant by having all the same coloured strobes and VADs, so yeah, it's all good. So we have zone 1 fire. And then we'll start with we'll move on to the middle detector here.
This is a fire alarm. Please leave the building immediately by the nearest available exit.
Cool. And then final detector before we move on to the call point.
This is a fire alarm. Please leave the building immediately by the nearest available exit.
Yeah, all the detectors are working with their LEDs all in sync. Very nice. The LEDs on these ones are much brighter. They actually shine through the membrane, which keeps things out of the detector chamber. Except for smoke, of course. And the occasional Nutmeg Men's active body spray. Yeah. And finally, we will move on to the Gent, whatever it is, call point. I don't even remember the model for it. Actually, I can tell you the model for it because I had one over here. It's one of these. Oh, that's the wrong way. Yeah. 34800. So yeah, we'll give that a bit of a test. see that it's been obstructed.
This is a fire alarm. Please leave the building immediately by the nearest available exit.
And I think it's, well, I waffed out those detectors before I reset with this Neil pad. That works well. Oh yeah. I'm not going to waff that one out, it's like, it won't re-alarm, it's fine. That was the first one I tested anyway. So yeah, that concludes our system test for today.